So, got my bell siphon in. Got it from a guy in Tennessee called Smoky Mountain Aquaponics. Decently priced, fast shipping. So what I'm gonna do is find out where my hole's gonna go. It looks like I found my hole. So I got my hole marked out. What I'm going to do now is drill out the hole. Handy dandy Black & Decker. This is a 1-inch pipe, but I'm using a 7/8 inch drill bit to bring out this hole. So there's the hole there. What I'm going to do is take a knife and clean it up a little bit. You want to say hello to everybody on YouTube?
No.
No? Okay.
I see.
Yeah, you can see, but don't be too close.
Like a hole?
Yeah.
Why make a hole?
Why am I making a hole? You'll see, sweetie.
Papa?
Well, it looks like my hole is a bit too small. I'm just going to take a regular little drill bit here and go on the outside. So I finally got my hole. Not the cleanest hole, but it's gonna work. So I'm gonna rinse off all this before I start installing. Don't want anything messing with the pH. So now that I've rinsed, put that there. Put that female end on the bottom and you screw it in. Alright, well, looks like that's installed there. Now that I have that installed, I'm going to check the level of the PVC pipe. And it's actually at the perfect height. So now that I have that taken care of, and I will not be gluing these, just to do some testing. Alright, so got that in there. That's the bottom down the tube for the bell siphon. And underneath, I have it down right there. Now for the bell and the guard. So I got that washed. Handy little handle. So I'm going to fill this up, see how the bell siphon works. Also do a little timing on how long it takes to fill the bed and drain it. In the meantime, while that's doing that, I'm going to be sifting through some rocks because I don't want any of the smaller rocks getting close to my media guard here. So we'll see how that goes. So we're coming up on my 2-minute mark here. That's what it's looking like right now. It's roughly about a quarter of what I'm hoping it to be. So we're coming out to the 5.5 mark. And that's what we're sitting at right now. It's almost getting there. Should probably straighten it out. So I believe we're getting up to the height that we wanted. Fortunately, I'm going to have to do some water adjustments because I don't like that it's going up and down like that, including my pump. Starting to drain here. And now it's doing a full cycle. We'll have to figure out a way to possibly have some aeration instead of a giant blob of water coming down. Sorry, my terminologies are lame. I'm just tired, exhausted. It's been a long week. Doesn't seem to be draining very quick. Last hiccups. That's that. And there's roughly about that much water, a little less. Thinking it might be alright for now. We'll see how it goes. Gonna do a couple modifications here, finish up my gravel, and I'll update you in just a minute.